Amasan his YouTube channel Vizo Senabon Unchibay Tunia Hin Holim Pidu Hile Pu Isaac Thangzom Amahi Emite Adia Judaism Sa Khuzui Ho Israela Chiang Lun Ho Lahi Kison Pi Ta Het Gil Na Thu Ta Ne Mi Zong Anahin Apu Pate Zong Imfala Chiang Masaloy Anahi Bana Abana Amahi Delhi University Noiza Engineering hin chaida abana hita munchom chomana to na nanei lele hin het gil na thuta nei ahi dungjuin Israel khangthu sim ho Israel development ho ailo vele Israel formation lang to kisai Israel iti hung kisem ham a khangthu ipi ham ti hole Israel a tua emite din mun abana mabana 2026-27 abana ningkum langa thusu khat ana benei manase chate mi sanga valzen igama pana Israel langa puilun hitadiu ti hovel hi detail ta ka hong ki holem hen to hin ngai zuite pu Isaac to ka ki holem now ibaw me boy pu tu ni nang to online tung to na ki ho thi na yum zin na ho hi gamtiep gama nei ta ven Israel gama tu hin na hon thu na sewa le in langa nammi pite adinga ngai na ta ta hong hizin aji chu tu chung boilain jong na ho panin jong imi sa te gale tola kiso kho kitong kho ne le cha ding nei lo ho jong te thilza chom chom tam ta tai na ki thopi veti jong ki zain hitien imi sa te Israel hile USA lang Canada lang hile hoi lai Malaysia Singapore chana sum kilo hon jong atu kham khamina hin tu bin no hi hal khat ana sajet hile kilomin abanin Israel hi tu lai ta gam boi ta jong le gam hat ta hi to abanin e ho ti dam ake ho na ake ho Christian lang je bo a Judaism lo ho adinga jong a Judaism ho adinga jong a Christian ho adinga jong mun poi mota religion to kise mun poi mota gamaum chiang hi ta ven tu in na boy po hita kihoulimna ipan na dingin nang ma self introduction brief self introduction hung ki bola
Ale Colonel Mon kipam wal bese it's an honor and a privilege nang to kihoulimna kaloi nu to na kihoulim kana mun kipama ma win tu think at ka tu need how to ka 34,000 views in ne se wangi email channel dinga wang to it's quite a feat kati to kati. No, it's almost gone. It's like almost gone viral. Kiti mai le. Ako men hon kaven ale very very encouraging. Abone kasi so ke pawal bes. Te pati le to ana. Kay mai hong introduce like kamin hi le na. Ka full men hong sele kamin hi le Pa Isaac Thangzom. Kamin sa we. Ai ba to normally people call me Isaac Thangzom ana. Ti bo sa ki ko hitan na short and kabol hitan ta de kay ma hele infala hong khang den kahin na ke ka ikhat ka pu cha hele kanu te laga hele Dr. Tongul Gangte hin na Dr. Tongul Kuki Gangte na kite ma hele e hola doctor ma sa pen hin na he was the recipient of India's highest civilian honor na Cater in 1946 to run the moon. Ama hi khat ama tupa ta kahi. Na kiti mai le. Ni atele kapala nga to hi kitle ki hoi gangte kahi na kanulang kapay ron ke wa ke purebred gangte mo kahi ga kiti mai le. Kapate lang yung to hi le among the gangte le wa ke hoi tha do pau thong ngem sang kahi na. Ti phala an kiti le kapu kapala nga pa til tong pau thang som an hin na. Ama hi Infalahi, the first Amy tribal settler in 1940 to Infala hong hitani na tu awang si Infalum te po na that's a story for the next kitimaile cha to ama hi 1940 na a tribal ala hong masapen na hin na o lamlen chan tegen ama hi lambu na hin chipate lekat he was also a class 4th and wahing the simdan le kilome kapucho no He translated on the hin, Chapate like judge on the hin, Chapate tax collector on here. Lamka, I had to Iho Lamka, I had no district in my English. Chilai to British on under rule alliance, you are to start a matter, Indian independence ang uzo tayo sa amahi ikat infal hong kitson lunin tribal la kitson lunin sa kasem sa mga sa tele gari ni mas pendong kana hiwe sila ito na ta tu gagakil kanula kapalang te wang tu kanulang te tu hila ba kapuwang te hile ama tu ikat kangku pirang win na kangku in 1984 85 elton na beta Dr. Isaac na sa tu here ole
hale na patian in sale na puti azong mi masa na hivin from a very well to do family in hivin na dan hi gang te ten mei azab la ya hi aso chati ho loyan na pang thim da ni le kilomin hale manipura zong
we take pride in being pioneers kitibayela na gakta made up hot ko here they were the first aviators wala mo
the aviator who escaped na who escaped alive titi main
at show mo ita titan na
ale hita he no family he interesting mamain from a very well to do family from one of the first yanong nain say abanin Israel la lung la jong khu a first loin hi ki duna no family he
a first pang too we cannot take credit no I want to one of the first
among
ke
the
here
na among the
1997 at kong ta na kana unu to 1996 ang I want to alia ang ki pat na wang hi 1990 1991 well sa hitan na ki okay one of the first pioneers but then not the very first kitibayela
okay apai ale hitin before we come to Israel context na nang ma personal life halkhat nang ni nu pa hi na influential mamain usisika jong at status hoi vetle wow ti ding en na mi hon jong in langa hon jong ama thua line la di hami piam ti ho jong ab ita hi panala so le kilomin zai san kar ho loi to adpian ki koi to pp to embassy la lim ho to ile chino in til khana bol do thede ti danin ale ama hin itia ipiham bible la ki se bangin kazipa to te de ngai ke ma cha ka hinai po an ti ki na lai le nang hi hoi nai chan na pha ki ho mo le izan ham khan hi nammi te phat chom pi ding ke man ka het na to Israel chung chang ka het na to hi le na ki wa chon military perspective na saten kana si movie na he chi toy la khabe be nang to ki ho te de ri ta kana gyal hin adang detail a hung lun masangin let's hear about your interesting high school life childhood days
abang ga kitil na ke wang chu it say that ka childhood wang chu infala kana pin infala kana say let na basically little fast school simpasang ato le kanun kindergarten school khat good shepherd school khat na na cha ka primary kana bolin na cha class 2 apa na chun khat it say that kana little fast school kana kain ki class 5 4 5 ka hilai chun St. John's School, Shillong in Kanakain na, kum khat Kanakain, St. Edmunds, kum ni Kanakain, 1980 atu DPS, Delhi Public School na, Mathura Road, in 1980 kana join in na. Ta atu gagi same ka college or bon ka ni khat Delhi kana bol sa in na, Delhi College of Engineering kana umin. Ta atu chi hot ta atu kana sai in na, chi hot chom phat government chi hot Israel kong pai hitai.
Class 10 iti ko manan at ha metric.
Metric hill 1984 ka hita. Class 12 hill 1986.
Class 12 hazong kay piang nai lo. Graduation la.
Graduation hill 1990.
Ale. Na mail to na kum to vet ka ding in langa hong le chun min gol hang na hin sa na lai di hin na.
Ki pau me ki pau.
Israel ka no.
Ki pau to hill na. Genetic song himayin ten na. Ki pau te le khat eyong khat ineki control to ya na.
Neki control plus your na skin mo so hinna like that it is not that I just flatter you na but 1984 a metric site chu and you look this way so na very you maintain your maintaining body didam health and diet conscious na hiding in class 11 12 hi ep subject ep stream na ludam
science engineering
engineer hoi lai chen an na bol
Delhi College of Engineering DCE
Delhi College of Engineering na. Ito
Kashmiri gen anu
1990.
Kashmiri gen anu mintina ai to rohina ki tonta ke ho lai wang Kashmiri gen anu lai to
Kahir hilowa le Delhi College of Engineering ki tihi tua NSUT hu iloham Netaji Subhas University of Technology hu.
hello Peter to ai
Achu
Delhi
muna lai.
College ki to ton lai rohine au mate Delhi
Okay.
Kashmiri gen
Icha
anu masala ai wang ke ho tana was Kashmiri gen anu mate ta ai to ke heb da na ai ka ipitai rohinin ki tonta ti wa sei to
engineer ahi pi nanalam
electrical
electrical. So after 1990 kuma BTech kitam BE kitam noa
BE
BE na
mm
BE electrical. Ale BE
mm
electrical na insaya chu ipi na bol ipi langa na topan.
ga ki sei na even though despite of the educational background, engineering background में खत भी तक बॉल खालू पीछे चीज़ें वो तो media कर लूट पाई था तो
Media ti so e gamma mana
India
ipi
इखाने
lang
पिता तो कलोई हो इतने से था media house नहीं हो तेम खालू मिलते ना ताते लालू ना आज ये तो प्याम ते लेकर English तो करना बॉल थे तो कितने बार ये लेना चांद थे लॉ स्क्रिप्ट हो इजी साजू तो पाते narration हो ये बॉल साजू ना ताते लेकर document जो करना से करना हासिल मुझे चाहते That was my main ga kiti mai lekan source of income kiti mai yele chilai to.
aile Israel lang alu dihi hoy apa na hung ki pana iti na hung ki prepare wa iti kuma nanalut tam.
Ga kiti na background ni kiti mai leke ho lohi Judaism kapat now in 1975 ita so ikat tua ikat Judaism hong kipat tila ito. Siapa sangat tu ga kiti mai le proto Judaic movement kiti mai yele na Bible tua ane ki zui na Sunday ni taro ding Shabbat ni so ding na seventh day ho ni ding sa vosa ni lo ding sa tele iti se dat ho na dietary rules ho chuti khate ho kana bol so. So 1975 to mi khat amy ho khat na tin tin tua hi Calcutta to Bombay na ka tin na Jewish ho ki mo to tin Judaism hoi tang kel ta hom ke le to 1975 ki ho aman ti Israel hi we ti khat le khabu khan zi to T Daniel ki te ve ti pa na T Daniel hong beta ama ten hong si dan ta to ke hon che wang hi ka pa wang chen che wang ho di mong het ya na a ji tu kam te le ka pa ten ai sai le to ai che lai tu khat looking back na ga ke te mai le to ai khat it say dai khat Mizo MNF insurrection na no mo chala na che lai tu Mizo Manipur la hong lu na che ho la hi preacher ho ti khati pathin se ho tam ta no mo cho am ho la tu khat ke ho ka nu le ka pa tu ho la ga lu lu mo hi to mo lo hi host ki ball bowling to ne na ta de came with this ideas ki ti mai le na Judaism ti khati ho lo na Christian Judaism khet na ti khati ho lo ong po lu na so ta tu kapan wang te se le ale Jesus Christ ta tu koi ham ati so na ipi ho na ball ti la ma hi Judai ti le kapan ale ama tilbol bol tu a bol di hima ying ta ana gel tu ke ko kan yo la kan da tu cha tu Jesus Christ tu Christian hi po Juda hi ti khan hina anong mo tu ti philosophy cha tu ke 1975 wa mi khat pai khat na to ti Daniel thong dem ka ti pa na ga ti hong ke le na Judaism hong po lo ke ho lo cha ba sa pen lo ta ka pa ti ke te chep ka ke tan ho na 1975 ba ma tu cha tu Judaism ka lu pa tan tin ga ki ti mai le na cha tu Kapat hele very Zionist kita maile. Tulahi nehena tala work culture honna. Zionism is so and so na. Tula alo gen sang si banga kita maile. Zionism is not racism. Zionism is basically the desire for the Jewish people to live in their homeland and have their own country. Kiti so. Koi mata discriminate boldi chuti kati Zionism abolu pito. Tado kapawa di Zionist mong nahi kanewa pa na insapi na Israel ni khadi si diwiti na insapi na kahua iko ipidan ye tado ke hawang te ga kiti maile ikat Israel ka hongo hina for ideological reasons rather than anything else ke hawang te ga kiti maile ikat we are quite well off kiti maile na middle class, upper middle class kids. So Israel kung yung like till kanay tozo. We can always support ourselves and we don't need to come to Israel to make our livelihood better. Kiti maila na. So as kung na enjoy kasi bang ideological reason ako. Jadi Jessica tu kita saya yang tu kesepin na. Ama yung hoi tak kanga ikat tihi Israel iti dengan na. You have to be convinced that Israel is our home. Ay lole tilo di kati. Jadi aman along hoi tak hoi tak tigela na. Jadi waktu commitment ako matu kabot kayo katanu kumtumita na tilay tu 2000 ina katuwa kong Israeli support bolding sepate likan in every way possible ta bold ti wahina conviction kani ta tu Jessica in veleo to ga sele to atil ball hoina ama conviction ani na balls not because of anything else aman it is it she believes the concept of Israel na Israel sate hiwe bene menashe Joseph chapa ani na pa menashe chapa tu hiwe ti na kya we have absolute conviction onto that tiya to chala Israel ko nga tiya ama why she is successful kiti baile na because she's convinced she's totally convicted kiti baile
Ale tuanan sidan hi we are the lost tribe of Israel. Manasseh tribe te ihive anakiti hi. Iti Daniel lung dimna tipa masanga anaum nailoham. Ama na hinpo doham ay lobale. Ama masanga zong Mizoram langahi isi Manasseh sa te ihive tihi anaum panitam.
tuwa na going back na ga kiti baile Christianity about 150 years ahong lutta tu na kiti baile society kuki chin mizo wan koin ta ken pung kete is okay we kuki is okay mizo is okay chin is okay we na koin ma ken pung kete sahi I had you 150 years ago I had amo hong na wa na hiti umato Bible hong polum to Kada mi han Bible hong simpan to I want to in the beginning New Testament bo say had mizo pa ada ki translate to na Tater e pa o yung ikat ipitay ga kasi like New Testament book says so. Tua ikat mizo pa o wang to ga kasi in the early last century vela wang to mizo pa Old Testament ki translate ta. So wang to only in 1971 Dr. Tilun Kimin bo say ang bola pa sa kip pan bib so. I want to successive education kit mai na mi ho English pa hong sim theta. So tikat yung kila na ave no wale they saw lots of parallels kit mai na. Within our Amy customs and it is said that the Bible. For example, to ana ga kitimaile to I kat mar power ka sikpui roi la nerkam.
Sipui do kahel
Sikpui roi in lion ti ana ta iga avena tituna a translation a translation is similar na am hoi it's basically it's all from the ipita Genesis apana bo se hinga to series of events from the Genesis ito. Nena may lumin ikan ipitay guide abolo zana. Chapatele suna ikan main guide abolo. Chapatele the enemy swallowed by water atibang tuna. Chito hoylay ka hoylay umon gagel momong to umlo pito. Tato tu ahin na tihay ikat mo na sa ikinwal na ikat ipitay skeptic on say oh probably this is a 20th century fabrication of the whole thing at you so na Bible seems what here po he 80 so I want hikit lo so say tam dil na kaloy pa hilal halkin takitan research ka bol hon the last 50 years research ka bol hon na na hiti ka kong thi sikpui roi la hina it is written in Triak mar Triak pao so I have a mar Triak pao hina it already went extinct before the British came into our area. A lot of that trick about the conservative. I mean, to a tam no trick ho yo na to I had you about how he modernized Sparta too. Akidan dancer. So it's not a fabrication. Kiti yegata.
Ale iti na sidan hi mizo tia sanga 18 na ho amasa tehin Daniel lung dimna tipa lo hi mizo tia sanga except anabol masa du tidan ham.
Ga kisela na going back into perspective kiti mayela na to I Israel the whole concept of Israel awang na mela chala kiti na 1950s mizo pa na ana say sa ta aman say lamanta I also say Israel sa ta and one day a bridge will be built between Mizoram and Israel in which all the children of Ipitai and Manasi sa ta manas amon manasi ati so Malaysia starting Israel kilek it ana say 1950s lai ta 1950s lai to population si concept wang anong ki panta sa ta hi wanga to it got disrupted by the Mizo insurrection MNF insurrection na sa to tizo to Mizo ho to tilaga to gakti mele it underwent a slight degradation because of the revolution kiti mele na sa to say ho no to ikat manipula crossover hong ball so kanun ka pan abola host the ball amola pas kilakit na so it's like cross pollination kiti mele
Homdan hi isi when it comes to Manase, am hon hol hiloba hol ho ina kimat do tidanam nda se dani. Aji chu
correct
hichikan do na hi ke high school kana kai lai hin na in jon na he hin to talo pu beni khong sai na. Beni khong sai in magazine khana na bolin chol ha. Chol
eh
chol ha jong hi ke regular na ke lekha sim kana thanomin a last column lang a quiz competition chu kana bol zin na kana fill up zin panin ama asungai simle manase to kisai at least every column sana manase to kisai jingke hesi chol ha magazine an la ya chu like thu sim sauta ta wa jong ko aban thakil le tia hona aba thu sim chu hing lo aki hon ka vet lang pi hui le international lai pitai tu ajong kamel chin lai apache helicopter ana sat da
ah
ki hovel na chora
mm
a magazine cover magazine angu mintin abana like hong ki gol hang pan til til to akala lungu thim thu ki dikhat na
ni
lungu thim thu achu gol hang hon hito bang nunga khat ka dejin ka hel di ka tilala ima cha ka hilo zin hitin ke le ki ka kisung le lin ipt lang ka helin ka kingai the diam ti hovel he ko lungu thim thu
agni
section
as column so na eh
ask the editor na ask the love guru ti dan de ba
eh
hichika hichi bana hin manasi to ki sai kana simjing in ke class 11 12 kana sim lai din kaloi pa khat an lunglu nin ain ku te tong abuin ama jong tora ki ta le ka bukan in pe khain tora na book ya
the first 5 book of Moses
halit belo so ko khat ve kana sim chain okay let me first fulfill my aim in life then I'll come to religion kana tin ida so kana umpal pu ka het hi lo vai le pu doctor asis matien zo na ji kha ba ha main contributor na yo manasia chati hi ham hi lo ham ti hovel na azwana ni sei chu to si pui roi te na sei to bang chena khu emi te to thiam pu te na masanga thiam pu te phui samji khu
eh
a phui chenga jong man masi ti khat jing ke
ume tu ana beta ikat mon tu hat kong sei pinom tu doctor ikat ipitai doctor len thang ipitai amin tu ka ai tai doctor khup lam len thang ale khabu khat ngum so ken ama bo de phui sam na tam ta ko intin na ken translate ka bol si le khabu it's the wonderful genealogical tales of Manbasi da doctor khup lam azi ken to phui sam ho se ken translate ka bol pi and available. China,
ese
Puitam Kitty Holtuna, it's like comprehensively covered. Chilai.
ale to si le khabu hi simno mum le hoya ki mu the ham
Kaherlu PKO. Probably out of print hitana. Chatel Tiwangi had very, very important.
to manasia thu hi ken jong kana ha sim thowin because keima an het dola hi Israel te hin Israel ten Ottoman Empire hung ki chaya na Israel gam Ottoman Empire hung ki chaya British ten a hin luwa hichapa na hi Balfour Declaration khat nguma na
Also Balfour. Chilai the foreign secretary here to Matu.
hichi Balfour Declaration dungju ya Israel te hi a homeland capacity to bang khat nguma Israel was like it's a miracle na it's a miracle ti chu akam lo be khana Israel ki ti lo na mun khana he Palestine ga mai Israel hungu mahin na it is like a chema sa te chenu kha dinga chenu kha te chema sa ding ti to bang hi Israel as such in the history I think an lo abai wanga pathian kam te bayan ki tin tin ale history ti chu to biblical lang ka se lo na ita in the ke ma head dol in tin
secular
subject to correction in nang in correct pyama di lo nam in selechun ke head dola hi ita Ottoman apara na Ottoman apara abana British te abana independent hin muwa Israel te independent hin muwa hi like now sen to bang hele now sen hong pian la ala oi alai gui na alai gui jong tan nai lo wa chu country nga in abok pai jing ti hon hin na Israel was such a strong country but they always have their godfather which is America ti ho hintin nang he dola hi
se
so
wang
in
jo
in
assumption
the
di lo
beginning no
in the
in the
beginning
beginning
America was never there. America the 70s abu sa hulut pan ale bon to the say hot na kan say pan first of all thelena historically accurate he to Palestinian na hohi koyham Israelites or koyham the Israelites preceded the Palestinians by 1,000 years. Nehena, for example, let's look at the things in the historical context and see it. 1000 BC vela pana ikhat na the third ikhat pita ikhat it is Egyptian ikhat empire kita bayang la na apana to Israel hong ki panta to that's about 1000 BC, that's about 3000 years ago kita na now Israel hong ki put no ta to Aigup ta gama da la what patli khana Israel ka bahulu ta to na South Israel kingdom established that. A few hundred years later, I had invaders from the sea kiti hunga so. Palestine, Palestine na Palestinian ti ho predecessor hoy. Palestine kiti so. Palestine kiti so a meaning Hebrew pa the invaders kiti na so. Palestine. Chilai pa the Palestine hung pod do so. Amola hung into they got eventually absorbed into the main population already. And by the time Samson Laya Tanawag Palestine Philistine Hall and the Laya so. I want to they eventually got it is absorbed into the general population. No. So Roman Empire hung hang do Greek Empire hung pod do the Roman Empire hung pod do kita so na Roman Empire also Jewish on the kind of revolt about 70 AD through ipitai had destroy ball so Israel destroy ball one na I had got Jews were taken into slavery to I had Roma na ti halewang and the Colosseum yang Jewish slaves on Asahikati within 8 years no after the destruction of the second temple no so hiti huti kinal to Roman hon na the Jewish people are very troublesome ati cha apanat na tilai Israel gamina they renamed it ikat Palestina Nehena. So in to put a salt on the wound of the the Jewish people. I invaded Palestinian home in Tina. I had Israel went out to Palestine home tiro. Stop the Palestine home kitty pepsos. I wanted now going on to the Ottoman Empire. No, Ottoman Empire home loot out. So no. So hinge British on Ottoman Empire relinquish a ball about take over ball so no. So okay fine. From the Western context of the Palestine kitty. No. And that's like the Palestinian or the a Jewish or the Palestinian he can also. Golda Meir kiti holo, koi holo to Palestinian citizenship ane yuzo. Tiata piham tila tila to British mandate Palestine ne kiti jaso, the Palestine kiti passport the Palestine ne kiti jaso. Pangal holo pius, Arab holo pius. Arab always resisted being called the Palestinians only until about the 1960s and 1963. Chapa Arafat in PLO hong patno osala. PLO hong patno to Palestinian Liberation Organization apatno. Tilai to West Bank to Gaza hi amo no West Bank to hile Jordanian noy anum lai so. Katele Gaza till Egyptian control anum lai so. Na 1967-60 war pan abu says Israel control ball pan so. Hey to. I mean 1963 to Arafat in Palestinian Liberation Organization PLO hong patno so. What does that tell you? It means that they don't want the existence of Israel at all. For example, Palestinian state, West Bank to Gaza, so na. That was not the intention. Yasser Arafat in Israel, Rahil in the ballroom. So they got about Palestine or Wagner, they're a lost cause basically. They stole people's identity and they stole people's revolution to feed their own narratives.
tuanen tuanen si dan su nanga hi you are going very deep in the history na kaya so
Absolutely,
ah
absolutely.
yeah, in that way he's also
One
hinting.
two ka naga saving two line na abo in here sapang hon na. They learn history from TikTok and WhatsApp. WhatsApp University, TikTok University, TikTok apa if learn the ball do. All false information so joy.
Katina so hello kaya so to I yung ki ho di facts na based on facts ng hiding
Absolutely.
ken kana sim na chu ile could be kaya chu moi rang apat kahin pat zong hi khamai the na. But from where I start, you did not doubt also. But you are starting from Imphal, coming towards Lamka. No, kaya so maybe I start the story from Ottoman Empire. Obviously, I started from Ottoman Empire, which is true. Ottoman Empire could be somewhere Ningtho Kong to Lamka, but you have started from that Egypt Gama slave anom lai. That means you are starting somewhere from Singzamei. That's just an example again. Mo. Yeah, it is. It could be there. History also means history kinajar hinchen. To again un na pen. To ka senom na pen so hile. Like Israel hi hung piang tai na. Adang ha se tam lovin. Israel hung piang tai. Ay Israel hung piang na dinga hi hung piang masanga hi ipipi ito bang to go numam. Where does the Israel piang na to kisayin na? The idea of Israel ti dangam. Israel gam Jewish homeland khat siam do ding hitai ti hi idea hoi ang ki panham hoi lai gamang ki panham Russia ang ki panham America ang ki panham ai lo le Palestine ni chilai phana Palestine gama anom hwa pan ang ki panham nang he danin.
Okay, one to Anna, I must have say to Arab na kiti ho say na. Let's make it very clear. Basically, to Anna, I had Lekhabu had Nasim link I recommend it strongly. Innocence Abroad, Mark Twain in Lekhabu Nasim na. I had 1860s la ya na. I had Europe to I had Middle East also. As it was similar to that'll clarify a lot of things. Basically, the thing is that to Aman, Israel described all the desolate at the end. So he described it in one word, desolate at the end. So the only people who lived were like some crazy Jewish people in Jerusalem, Safad, and other places. No, otherwise the area was desolate. To a pangal ho, to a Israel pangal ho, itiapana hungam tila. Only after the British mandate when British started developing the country and they needed a lot of laborers. No? So people started pouring from Egypt, people started pouring from Syria, Lebanon, all these places, looking for jobs. And these people are definitely not indigenous. Indigenous hilo people sa mo like. Ahung na solo like people. Chata mo in Palestinian indigenous people kayo. Who's going to believe that BS? Bullshit. Nena.
I so to ana si
Let me continue. No, the concept of Israel is already more than 3,000 years old. It started when Abraham na ura para hong kipan do ay ka ipitay karangam hong zotso. Sa Israel history kipan sta. Sa atupa Jacob min ikaripitay vantil to hong kibon hanatun hena. Sa ipitay amin hong kipatay Israel, the one who wrestles with God. No, it's 3,000 years old. Palestinian kitchen are just zania hong po do so what you had new cuts. And no Israel hong pin on it's basically it's a miracle of rebirth. Something, no entity in the world has reinvented itself in 3,000. So Israel na 3,000 years ago founded here. Cha tu chan ge sing na lai. Adak ho Israel do ho ko yuma Greek ho Roman ho Persian ho ko ho. Hoy mo. Umgap piso Israel thati mi dinga ada go khat sa ki matalo piso tu tan ya Israel hing na lai so. Kisu that is a testimony to God's promise.
ale to ka senom na hi Israel te history kana sim na hin na. To ana say so okay based on the history and based on that solid evidence whatever ay baken kana sim na hi Israel ten atila Jewish homeland phu do na dinga hi America lang Europe lang hoi lai lai ya
Ah.
Jewish mi te chun hung ki ho khom wa Zionist movement hin pa no na iti Zionist movement ahin pa na di wa ipitai Jewish ZNF atiwa Jewish National Fund kiti khana naumin na
JNF, Jewish
yes
National Fund.
Jewish National
Kevin
Fund kiti khana
Kayamet,
naumin
Hebrew power.
hitya chun anei zo sen to nam pi nam pia ding a to khom ti bai sum tam ta ki tho khom win akoi ko en jong he sau hin le se chunga America jong millionaire billionaire tam zoi jiwis mi hongen ani hi ve na tu chanin jong mi tam ta a scientist min thang ta Albert Einstein ti ovel jong na ama ho loi jong jiw mi an hi vin Albert Einstein tai Isaac Newton zo ha
Yeah,
Newton
Isaac
ni
Newton, Albert
Albert Einstein
Einstein.
zo na ale hi ta chu jiwis national fund hin phu do ba ke man he dola tua an zo na sei arab mi te ti zo Israel te alom loma hung lut pan tao British te ma chu na Israel Jewish mi te hi to Palestine gama alom loma dim dim hung lun ba mun gam abia hin cho pan ta cho gama hin cho pan wen hi le gama hin ha cho phan wen aje chu Jewish te hi Jew te hi mi nei zo ta mu wen a Jewish national fund le ama ho personal money ho ama ho nei le govin promise land na promise land la ipitai Jewish pa wajong Hebrew pa wajong gam
He
promise gam
promised.
zon ta te ti khat au min na hi chi pan sana cho hin zonuwa ke het dol na adi lowa le na hin counter lang hi cha gam le go gam mun le mol tam ta hin cho ta vini le chom khat zo win khat te Palestine mi te zong akhi cha thimu win British te koma complain a bol win a hin la Jewish mi te hin lu falls a hole win a lu falls su iten a lu falls a hole in la gari number 2 a ki cho ti toin gamle go chu a chu ve win ale cha gamle go ne ite chu hoi lai mi tam te le Palestine muna gam lien ta ne wa wa mo hi cheng nom lo wa Syria Damascus hoi lai le Egypt langa cheng uti hoben na ite hi gam hin cho to hi la gam hung lien na som khat zo wa ipi kum hitai tua Jerusalem koma na Tel Aviv la dunga zong civil war dan khat no ma khain hicha chun Jewish mi te som le khat hamathin khate Jewish mi te som le ni hamathin khate som le kharam khat the ti khat zong kana sim khain na just before the declaration of Israel independence hichi na in iti dola na muam
Hello, first of all, hitting Japan, modern Zionism, the desire to create, the Jewish state for Jewish people who are basically landless, landless youth. Ik had thousands of years. Anche pat na Theodore Herzl kiti khat pa na 18th 19th century well na patta Theodore Herzl na ama hen Zionist apa na Zionist hum ke pando so to ata hen khat ka sei baga na enjoy let me remind you again na to Arab population hong na na to I had for example ka sei ba innocence abroad ik had in Mark Twain lekhabu to similar na it was written before anything else began basically no so Arab Hall got no like because like it was some like odd Jewish settlement and some Bedouins. That's it. Arab Hall now only after the British mandate both said seeking jobs. He was I'm all like registered like bolos you know both said na I'm all like native mga may youth Hilopi so more like native Hilopis. They're either Egyptians or Syrians or Lebanese or Jordanians basically. So I'm all like. But they cannot claim indigeneity of any kind at all. I was I was a Jewish immigration since the last century. The British one allowed a ball, it was allowable, it was independence from Tata. I want to get back again, 1940 in a Jewish independence from British one, Israeli kings, let them just fight it to the end and like finish it up. Jordanian army, Syrian army, Egyptian army, the top elite British officers on command of all against despite all odds, Israel won 1948. Despite all odds. British Hall kan amo ikat bita officer hall gentang sila ta amo like ano hall ikat bita command balls. Aside the order I have a British Hall ambition to it didn't realize. Let them just fight it out themselves and let's see what comes out. I had shoot here. I want to somehow Israel survived. Israel
but
survived too.
Israel survive ale there must be someone helping them otherwise Israel was surrounded
Okay, 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 fine.
where
Exactly. Tell me who is helping Israel in 1948. Konapan PM.
in head na so
Nang
English in the
military apat na hiso, mon. Nahed the also say, who is helping Israel in 1948?
Israel ke kan head na hina America Thangzom missile ho bi pitai amin chu kai miltan na air defense ho zo apiu ham khana jong kan he na
Patriot.
abanin
Jitu
Patriot missile
1980s, 70s, 80s apa na kipan na 1940 na Israel koi country na pan PM.
must be Russia.
Koi no none
No,
zero.
pan pidi so like unlike North Vietnam, South Vietnam, unlike North
Eh,
Korea, South Korea, to ka
you know,
sidan so ale aman sa agalvan teo hi may thal may lo so hoya pan alaw hamla
Czechoslovakia.
following which route ti khanum kinana
Koi paisa ham.
no
Jewish
no
money.
Jewish money, yes, the Jews are very rich, they have money,
No,
but
it's not.
hala
I think like to Anna, one to say Jewish are very rich that it's a very misleading statement.
Jewish
Nanganikan,
this
but you're falling into the trope of this. It is to Amiho say that the Jews control the world, the Jews control the media, the Jews control all the money. I will not agree with that. The Jews have a lot of money. Midang on the Saudi Arabia, the Subahukula, UAE is Subahukula. Why don't
no
you talk about them?
Saudi Arabia tiyan sila so they are a country kasi dan
They're
so
a country, exactly. So is Israel.
no Israel not Israel as is Jewish people na Jewish people US song like I don't know
Jewish,
how far
Jewish me house out, but they did not steal that money from anybody else.
hello me and it is not about stealing from anybody else. They are rich,
They
and then
earned it.
when people are rich, when you have lots of wealthy people, then they can always contribute for the nation cause mom it's about rich.
Exactly. Ni tato kasi
So
kasi mga tuna to ay kan bita 1948 war tuna Israel panpi ko ima sa amlo piso. Israel the Jews only helped themselves. Nobody helped
alin
the
na
country. In
ah
fact, the British were like quite happy if would have been quite happy if Israel was annihilated that time. Ko ima sa Israel aso sa digin sa amlo piso. 5 countries
British
invaded Israel.
British they so like they are very but they want but they don't want something like that. They want India to be independent. They want India to be partitioned into India and Pakistan, East and West. But again, they want a strong. They want the two countries to fight against each other. Ita British ya lungkia luki het helo yin na. Hita say den. Ale hit like interesting to win. Agalvan te wisiko Slovakia apan allow hile. Hoi lai road ko hinzu ham. Because Israel was everyone knows surrounded on all sides by the Arab countries.
Gagel to map vetong one. Vetong map vetong through the Mediterranean Sea. Simple as that.
It's like amahon zero the control ita.
Zero to a control LOP.
Kat
Zero is free.
free, but the British must be having ships, warships na. Is it to akapang laum ho ko. It's also hintin
One,
kasi nom na so.
one to other. The sea is very large. No, number one. And the British Navy, no matter how big they are, they cannot control each and every inch of the Mediterranean Sea. There are always routes.
Okay. In that way, there is one way because it is opening. It is an eye opener for some history student who are listening to our conversation more. Because everyone is of that opinion. Everyone is of that opinion that yes, mitampian asay su agial su ipam tela British ten Israel te ana day sa ovin na ana day sa ovin ama ho mama ziahi Israel gam piang do hekiti so. There is you being in there, being in on the ground zero, you oppose it. You are opposing that idea. Na adi po ito
One,
kiti.
one to in a government, there's always pros and pro and anti. No, Israel nga panghoy Israel nga against ang pangumso. The general policy was that basically to Israel na mandate Palestine na Jordan includable also. Nehtiya to modern day Jordan yung ko. Chiku Arab side it also. Ale to Arab also a peak in to that thin sliver of land na Israel kiti pangal ta ni Arab on Jordan na ita split ball kina tikin hom. Gagel mo mong to.
ai le
And Palestine too, it consists of modern day Israel and Jordan. So.
mm
Jordan to pangal te pi to 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 pangal te pi sa yu tu ai khari bitai tu Israeli pangal to Israel ju ke hop kin ati kin you think that's fair fair lo pi so
na sei mga he idea difference of opinion sungum jin na dangin history deep ta na simin ken history che hilo ke sim chui le military history a military history lang so hin na
understood
na ai the gospel history relating dating back to the slavery days in Egypt hin. Okay, to I like it is not an argument. It's just for the sake of finding whose version is where. Ti hatu na. So that's there are different version. There are different version. We'll come to that later. As it so now you may argue with me. To Israel tian galvan asiemu. The uh, the major weapons, small arms used by Israel, Galil rifle. Na Galil rifle, Galil sniper. Atile nang gel danin si Israel te siem du momong ham.
look to na one later to ga you can't reinvent the wheel kiti khat na kiti khat expression maybe kiti assault rifle wang to anom sa ta to basically what a country can do is improve upon existing designs.
Yes.
To ga kisele Russian hotel AK-47 kita bayang tao te American hotel M16 at bayang tao te na. So that's the basic of all the things. To Galil to M16 ki khit pi ham. Galil to pitai kan AK-47 pi ham ki khit. Small differences, engineering differences, convenience of use, lighter, this and that, more accurate. Kate battle rifles, kapo ina. So wang umtai de. I want innovation wang to henge. In terms of improvement, wang to umnante. I wang to you can't say that it is say that it's been invented wang katin umpo.
See, there is an honest admission to it na. So
Of course.
what I mean to say here to akasi nom chile Israel they are very good in innovation na. Innovation lang hin nasa ta nakang to win. Ken kanasim sun halkat kidang kasain. A mechanism, a moving mechanism so AKL Galil rifle kibang se. Ay banga Galil hin a barrel ko asaw sa je na. Asaw sa je.
Accuracy.
Anong lang abat pa ko halkat a ball jet kit na.
Uh-huh.
Asunga na se ba so you can't reinvent the wheel so yes. A mechanism to kibang. Ale Israel te hin AK-47 mechanism a kopya Galil hung porta. From Galil other things comes up. Ali India te na copy ki god wale India te hin direct copy din te khan dita copy thelo ta brasa leng pa ko copy thelo insa sa hin bol wale TRB kiti 3 round burst brass mun an mere thum leng dina ai wa thum ita meden jong le chun aban leng to lo di whereas Galil le AK hi khatve brass mun an ko na mele hat sai to ka leng di ti just halkat viewers on an head the device hintin I let abanin hinte abanin interesting zeb khad seitin yom kupar war na yom kupar war hi iti dola na muam just achom lamin hin seitimo yom kupar hi to bang pisa an lai ta wa na gal song talo ding agia lai ta wa Israel te hin thakana hung ki tek zinga na hi just viewers ho anangai la ho na he thin ding yom kupar war hi ipi ham iti danong ki pana Israelin iti an zo ham chi ti hi hin se al khat
Okay, Yom Kippur War understandable thing. 1967-60 war is equal ngai veta. 1967 out to 60 war June ni khade pitai tarik liya ki patan ham hito na if I'm not mistaken. So to basically it was a brilliant strike, preemptive brilliant strike na. So in which it is the Israel and Arab countries do say route a ball you ko. Na. So to Israel they became a little bit overconfident. No. Arab hon false sense of security. No. And then they use so. So the 1973 Yom Kippur War se hele Golda Meir Prime Minister he like that so. Jata mon wang to again tab no views to I Israel was caught by surprise, totally by surprise. I was I can alto I got Jamal Abdel Nasser, na president of Egypt, na he was looking for an revenge after the humiliation of 1967 war. So a humiliation the revenge ball no so I basically the whole point is that Arab Honna advance hong ball to chilai ta to Sinai wang hi Israel control no ya the lai so ta to Egyptian hon attack hong ball to so na ta da atung langa Syrian hon ikat Golana pada attack hong ball ta tele Iraqi expeditionary force so all ti pa tele ikat Jordan hong pangket to na ta ai wa ta ball the thing was that basically chilai ta to ga kiti mai le Israeli weapons ho na tamzo ikat na pa na hong France pa na hong Mirage ho na Mirage 3 holoi, Mirage 4 holoi, aman lai to evan leng holoi. Tato France on embargo bol kumu to chilai tato. Tato I got Arab on advantage allow to ga kiti maile arms embargo lai tato. Tato chilai the genesis of America's support for Israel chilai tato ki pana tato. Two, 1974, 1973, you could say the beginning of American occupation. Tina can say to my thing, but as Israel or Kilai basically arms embargo like that to Amolo till the US Telecom approachable or Japan so basically it was a surprise. No, surprise mama. Israel was on the verge of losing. But then the thing was that Amolo Arab armies on fell those up no so they got defeated and they were driven back. Of course, the thing was that needless to say, I Camp David in 1979, Egypt became the first country to sign a peace pact, first Arab Muslim country to sign a peace pact with Israel. It's happened after Camp David.
Right, it's a sign pa president pa hong kitat na assassinate ki bol na. Israel story hi to sim kisay lehen ita online na ki hawa seizo di chi hipon na like Operation Thunderbolt na. Yonathan Netanyahu loin ana ball zong hi episode ha zong kana simtan. Raid at Entebbe zong kitin ay lo le Operation Thunderbolt zong kitin na. It's okay honzo detail ten kana simovin abanin Israel hi ken Mossad te operation hi na saten kana hasimin na Mossad te thilbol hi kitangin Mossad te thilbol la kidang kana sa ta khri le Irakin Saddam Hussein lalai hin na Saddam Hussein a pilot khat Russia te koma MiG-21 ha ipyam khat
MiG-21 1966
MiG-21 khat
pilot prominence of Munir pyam khat so ka min ka hai ta ke Munir something
ke amin chu ka kamel si pon ba story chu ai si Iraq mi hin Saddam Hussein ading a fighter pilot hin Mossad te na ma khu avazol zolwa sumtam tapi ding ta gazol wa khatpa hong no phana he ain ko zo se he Israel gama olola ki tolura la sa ma bo ma he ni khat test flight boarding a MiG-21 to lenga Israel
training sortie
Israel hung chua Israel mi ki so pe Israel te no chapana technology na technology
basically na one to the MiG-21 he 1960s like to cutting edge fighters so
yes
that's the most advanced so on Israeli on operation ball basically about Israeli ke usai look with to thanom se America or Westland or Britain ikhati was okay they want to get their hands on it na in case of conflict home a weakness to a strength study ball ding ati so to I had pa Munir Rajab ha khaita Munir something na hintin se pa to ama Christian Iraqis so Maronite Christians so Bangal lopis Muslim lopis ama just one of the odd minority who made it into the Iraqi Air Force as a pilot. No, as it's a special ability na easy na ko special reasoning sa tele IQ yung sangkit sa tika tiolo ya na intin na sa tama sa ano mat khau sa sa hinga ai 1966 so sa ang munir rajab min nikan mig 20 hong ku do na na so it was it is that an operation kitimail na a very very daring and perfectly executed operation kitimail
abanin
mm
abanin hisi mosate operation adinga ken nasata ita detail ta kan simule ke mama in zong sepe kan pan la presentation kan pi kha khan suipam de la the Munich Olympic na Munich Olympic au ma so Jewish athlete ho hi the Black September ki dite hin zan AK for automatic rifle la choiwa gadur wa gathau na all most lo azat se zon chu ka ta pon Jewish athletes ho na Olympic a
how
participate bol jo se hi cold blooded murder ka bolwa
mm
then that time Israel prime minister chu ko ham dile Gordon Mayer na
Golda Meir Mama.
Gordon Mayer hintina mahin is CIA Mossad chief pa ko wa take revenge on them atia acha athu sia kan mail si jing khan from today onwards you are officially unofficial ti khan na officially unofficial han them atia ichi to ka se pen a movie venom hojong the Munich kitin ten movie ajong ve thein Mossad te gamzo sia chewa ichi Black September ti koi ham jong ke hello koi ham ti so hin hor to
One
sanu
Black September in Mihon Kohama Herlo piece, but it is very, very important. Black September kiti Palestinian terrorist group so. If it's a Black September kiti waham. A reason don't say think it. Chautila, it's a very, very interesting thing. Black September group he Black September kiti waham tilan ang basa pena. Amo hi Jordanian Palestinian Honda a pudo. So a history way to number one. Black September 3 पे हम चले गए September तारीख इधर हम खड़ा है ना Jordanian army in ना मी इधर हम Palestine था तो Israeli लोग not Israelis Jordanian army in ना Palestine और camp मेरा बोला मी तब था so आप लोग Black September हम के पौध होते so father very
okay
very interesting one more very very interesting thing so I had Jordanian army commander to कोई हम नेहरम Pakistan dictator General Zia-ul Haq
acha
surprised to hear him Zia-ul Haq, he commanded the Jordanian army to kill Palestinians, who later on named this operation after their death. Na, Black September. Zia-ul Haq in Palestine tha so. Jordanian army commander nahi so.
ale si halkat halcha se sao jeb lehen Black September tin hong ki phongdo ta ve na Black
Eh.
September ti hong ki phongdo in na sedan chu okay Black September hi cho hi ti he ta ve but the fact that they pinpoint na hi chi pa jong zawin ama hi chi hilai mun au me Switzerland au me France gama au me Germany au me ti khat khat in hol do wa without any collateral damage na khát khát hiện thảo thì họ viết trong hiện na abanin Nazi Germany te phát lại ra Hitler ading a kernel khat ziu mi te thara na pang khat gale hin lel phan win amina ki khelin Brazil aumin Brazil gama gom na chun amin jong a khelin passport agam citizen hi na jong a line hi ti chun mosa te na hin hol win amutawin it's a very interesting story amuwa ale ama nai na ya le le wa that ama hi that no mo le tha the du that lo hi ka koya wa nai ama mun khana ki chon do le ita azuyo la sa Israel prime minister pa Brazil a visit a official visit a ga chia amon ipitian bolam Israel prime minister pa le na chu anu po wa Israel ga ma chu ama thu tan na ki ne ki khai li ti khajaw min na it's a very daring and unexpected tidam na gin cha thelo ita operation na bolo hin now
So
coming
about to
to
say,
this
Partner, Adolf Eichmann, so.
yes ale now why I'm telling you this hit banga na tong thei te lo lai koi ham ti jong ke lo te hol do a gatha thei te hin ibola tu chunga sidiro dai te bang ete gum di he lo ham
to na one basically me hona everybody is human being si patila chalai to thilhi ikhat operational ikhat na reality ho he to Adolf Eichmann hall the for example it takes about 80 probably it took them about 10-20 years ke po na I was there na hong ki pat no wang basically it was a surprise attack and I wang as to at the line I can wang ikhat commander ho kang ho kit as pam til ikhat na ano yan tong hon wang to report wang pi the unusual activities wang I commander but he chose to ignore tu tu at na ik had the Rona attack ball to at ma pa wang cha hayong hai sa to he's been dismissed and he's been put on the trial also
hi chi lai chun hi chi ete hong ki palai chun kya on service kan hin lai na kan retire nai pon but from me as a military person I can study da nahi there was a growing dissatisfaction or growing protest on the present prime minister na Netanyahu na Benjamin Netanyahu he kidei lo maybe some charges of corruptions against him na
lot
pero ako tizia hi aman azole kei chunga action kila khante duta case khante ta ama hin judiciary khan reform hin bol so Benjamin Netanyahu na aji judiciary reform in boldan hi so that the politician can influence the judiciary ti khana hi reformation khana in bol is go day lo mitam ta ki phin na mitam ta hong ki phina chui piang ti tam ti le sepai alom loma hi I am not coming for duty mi tam ta hin boycott ti dam protest military power ki se dile mutiny sepai so mi ki phinu ta so pilot te jong akon lo na pilot jong che nom ta lo ti news a ki simena hi mo zeta ko nei the na so prime minister pa de lo mi hong ki phinta ji a min jong I will not do it thil khat he jong le sei nom lo ti to bang ham like sumpi en to na bol a bola ko thing rangama football tournament khan aumin he chi thing rangama masala chiungam akithan lai ho na chiungam cho football players wa hin obom wale akipar pan chang talo akipar pan chang talo wa khat pa chon alang tian an hoya all chakana goal asul le keeper pan ta ven na goal ta so ale aloi holung hang besa ipita bolita kang chakana honga mantang otile chingam thai hon hung kimat vo ti daple ti ta kana chito bang kana Israel ten tu so on the face wam ka ti sa ji chu see it's a surprise attack no doubt but surprise attack doesn't happen overnight years
it has to be planned
those people were practicing for years so people who were practicing for years just next door how can the Israelis not know this na ti ko ipya na ngai dat
so it is possible na to the lapse of it is the interest na kiti mai le to akhat pa a bowling dol piyam da akipinzi na si mai take si wang to I'll put in the real of I can ipitai na theory to go mai kiti ke yong ikhat insider ke pui ke yong ke di pui na like I'm not it is not fit to comment on this si mai take definitely possible
okay India umpan bon hit ta kan se de you are very much fit to know there ti cho
na
a second cho ita pon na
to the modern say it's perfectly possible kito he might take so I want to get one to try to pinpoint ka ball na si pa na ball kiti want to I cannot do that so want the ball to hit thing
hello ka ti na cho in military hi thile se par le likely because when you talk about galte thu se par le galte mi hizar ume ti ki se ngai ki sei thelo cho na around hizar hidi ai lo hit train chu hit a bolu hi mai the hi mai the ta na perception nge hin to hi kan se lo na chu just interesting langa chu i se hin na Israel jong hi gam ki ti ma boila lo zo hi de pon na til tam taw min
yeah Israel least it to 90% boy ne Israel bo se hela me or focus on it say thing
ale no ho tun hal khat hit in mix le te Israel te hin no hin vo sa ne lo cho na Jewish mi pum pin vo sa ne lo ham
the observant Jew na hohen anelo pizza. Hinge Jewish na observant lo hon want adu ko ne te ko imatan tilai to ikhat ko imatan ki force to lo pizza.
Hello ka
Adu ala ne ki trai ta.
hello ka tira chu ka te tu chung je sika to ka kihoulimna chu kong kyo ho le vo sa jong ki zo en til ki dang ka sana ke chu
Isela
Jewish
bota
Jew
ki
mi
zoe.
ka
Ki
ti
zo
so
ta. Adu hodega to for example diplomat ho foreign worker chiti khati na anom likhi to the ma. No problem. Israel the enlightened democracy so koi masa koi ki force to Jew khane no na vosa ne no wal koi masa stop ball hi vet.
Hutikin na
Ane ki tho.
ale e lang to ki khin hal khat gel di tin gel te in lang hin mi khan me thala choi le ko ham ati pai na ale Israel gama Israeli army hon IDF hon so ti ki achi tiang jong le thala ki choi wini chi danger lo ham
To basically it's all about it said how society the kyo society one koi masa city for example na in India to gunda ki tiu bato na Israel concept of gunda blue pito koi masa ki bully to lo ne te ya mon chad koi masa lean de lo koi masa neo de lo for example as na pink te to a restaurant na ti ta to na restaurant lu dinga to crowd is the mi line na dinga to for example ala no India bang prime minister pa bang lai khan ipe lo den mi so said clear ball ama to dinga pe de so na te ya itela bang na line prime minister pa to ngal prime minister hol na line na ding te ngai
Mizoram
he
te chi
cannot
minister pu Mizoram te chi minister pu zoram thanga in si zo me po adinga si zo mal to bang ham
tamang them just bizom te na very civil society we to ama to a room thanga in ikhat ipitai ikhat hospital ga ti ate ordinary person ba ki tung tin bit be atla anga ying tla kita bang jet to Israel ko imsali no ko insani holo very equal society
ale bo po tin I topic hi mal hal khom le li na zan jong so thimin nang jong nei mun ding to ipp to ile tin hi
aki
hal
ma
khat ke man jong kana he thiam lo le mi dang tam te na he thiam lo da ka gial o hal khan dong ka tin na
eh
e khat iti dana ziu le Israel ki tia ki hi nai pe ham
to tana mon Israel kiti tana to a Bible lang tana sim thod here Jacob to father of 12 tribes to na atate all the 12 tribes of Israel Israel is a nation etate Jew kiti tana one of the constituent tribes of Israel so
ai
Chilai
chu ba
to
ka ti
atana ato 2005 to 2007 years ago na ticket ngai me to ato Solomon ikan athi chaya ikan kingdom to split honki bolta to hetia Judah to Nena, Tatele, Isoatu, ich hatte Partei, Assyrien ten Invadung Bolle Israel to Hong Sai Dotto, to Tatu, Judah Bose to Anhingden Tatu. Netia. Now the Judah to basically it has survived till today. Judah to basically one of the tribes of Israel. I wanted they were a kingdom in themselves also.
ale adang ho ziwi city phale hi ni pi ha ipi chet ham
Judah apana mi hong ngotina.
ale ai chu ba ka ti chana adang ho na sim ibola adang ho ki sim tha ji lom ziwi ki tia Israelite
As
ki le di
the other 10 tribes have gone, and which we decided to identify ourselves as one of them. Menashe, na? Sitting out to 10 tribes of the Mangata, Judah Bo saying at to us.
acha to Israel hi adang ho ki se khatalo na Benjamin adu da te ho ki se khatalo
Benjamin Judah la Adutaitio, Hilda theory about it is say that 100% perfection wang telu pisa. I want to
ka
be
ti la
on
chu ba
to Israel kingdom to destroy the water na atam zo hoy kan pita Judah so kana lut taw ti loy kit thok to.
ai chu ba ka ti na ke ko
Rob ki
confuse
bol.
in tin ale nang hi manase tribe manase chi tha te ka he ti chu nagin chan chu na ale
Asiya tela ki mahila.
hello nagin chat a hi na kitin ale Israel gam na thun le Jewish ka he na kiti ham
E.
ai chu na there is some confusion that I have ka ti dan
This confusion lo Peter one. Tina I'm a Jewish B'nai Menashe who lives in Israel. Kita maile.
Jewish bene Manasseh na.
Who lives in Israel.
Jewish kitia, Jewish is from Judah. Eva
I.
Manasseh. Au pa
I.
min na.
I.
Thado hau kip ti deham. Thado chu
Hindi
Jewish
lang
in koi.
no equivalency. He wants up to a certain extent wants to then I want to basically it's the same thing. Chilai na I had Amy na chilai boy na cha I had chỉ ta hi khat confuse hi lo so to ai tha do cookie chuti khati zo gang te I boy so boy na dum lo pi so
When we are developing yung ipa le na. Tuan tuai bolai boyo ham. Ne le cha ne lo mi tam. Lam kai hinom tam. Ane gu nom tam. Israel la banga hi if everyone enjoys equal rights with no poverty. Hichi phungle chang ho ko na su dam na. Na ti la. Hichi
Phung ta sang su tho za mo vested interest na ji no for example ta I had na ina na het til kan ga se ming te Japanese kite to na Japanese kite so Japanese khat ko nang Japanese na hem ting to na kai poi ti so Nippon ka heti so ne te to cookie kite ba na for example na mi pa won e hem na ta bang so cookie so ga ta ma ta mi ki so gang te ko zo yong ko ma tha do ko ma chi khatin ko so ke chi e mi ni ti heti lo lam tu san ga ka heti lo
gu ki a hin pale akipat na le chai na thelo di ti kharin. Ale boy boy
cookie kiti kana a generic name so to cookie so ga inom do shi the so to for example kam khan ke cookie kai poiti so ai ba to for example meile on na ong del pa ama khat pa na cookie kai poiti ti pa na cookie at tho de so ke lo am kati so
ale
cookie
hichi
to
to
de
azwa ka second do to bangin man masi hu ipitin ham kene ten letter head I pp man zipal le man masi ati join ma what is man
man
masi
ma si to e ho khat pita mena she tina chula
acha ale kene te ni pi bolai ta az aman zi hoitam ti jo ke ma
I'm on unbelievable chula
acha kene te na believe tin na ale boy po hong so tim tan thil tu masangin na tu masangin last December level in news international level chana jo na news hong so in Manipur notice apar kiti zo ham Manipur apar kiti zo mi sanga ki puide tin hicha hi ipihan na head dan hin se temo
chỉ vang hin na no jessica to ke tan thi khat so na pa lobby ka bol ya na sa the government pa favorable interaction ho ma na in tin ta mo na se ko to ai ge to ai khat ministry te hin na ministry of alia vikita ki te ta ministry te na se na to ai khat mo noi bene min na sha so se om zo se mi sanga le ti vel ho na zagi ti vel na pon se ki pui tho ke ta within the next 5 years ti ta
ama hoban na jong aum be na lai dem
ke ho ta wang list wang na ich hat it se da ich hat close ke ball ta ko ta azao be no hele wang to future to ta I to the wang to 5800 ho wang ki puide adang ho wang to future wang to excited pui
nein chen hui ipitiam in langa to khulanga in chen dan hi ipitiam mi zo se ni na kini so ke hamai lova le in sanai ten na koyo ham
mi atam zon in ke so ke so
ka ti chu tun 5000 ho hi hung diu bang tale na hong run pal what was the welcome plan
to
what is the
amo lo
welcome
na
plan
basically kat amo lo na chilang pa wang to kat absorption kit mai le na Israel government absorption policy ne na amo lo na for example in ke to diwale government kit hopi de in ten amo kit hopi the first 5 years 10 years to kit hopi na amo lo se hong ke na me ta wang boy lo pi cha kit hopi na wang so ke de discount ti holoi pi holoi
kyo na chu halkhat su sau je di le chu history na sata yung ki pe di hin na nang he dan to ke he dan akibang lo chu hipon but na nga hi very deep ke a chu le that military history ka ti dung je ai military ading a poi mo lai koite se dan a hleu phe lai kila do a kinie to bang hin ki pau me bo poi tu ai ki hona no ma mai mi tam tai jong na phat chom pi ding gin chanu min a chai na ding ka hin do nom chu na tu hi Israel an in chen ho ipitiam hita ei lang banga chawang ku ham ipipiam in langa good festival i man ho hi kulanga annual gathering ti hona nei thovam ipitiam
tua tu na mon ama sa pen sei leng na Israel wang hi khat na ka living standard la very expensive country man tamata chate tua na heading khat chu pem tele tua economic development hina fang tan tin na tua hi khat ke ho loi per capita income for example France or England or ka khel gam to Germany to ka kinai to tua about $5,000 a year na per person chate le per capita income che tawang hintin na chate tua hi thil ho hi Israel wang ka sei banga everything is expensive thil wang man tamacho chate le tua hi Israel wang is set to grow again chate te khat heading khat very important na koi gamdang in na kumni gala bola na economy selo ham ga gel mo to Israel hi na war proof economy ta to gal kumni ka ne yu na ai wanga to mi khat ta try khat ba talop ki ho loi to ai khat a worker foreign worker ha tam ta kan Indian ho tam to na sikki khat dong khat talop ka kim sa lu pi so as a matter of
India
fact
India
as a
langi
matter
le
of fact
India langi le austerity measures kitiam gal boys ya lo ki pelo di hona
this is
so ram dita
cho vam talu spate to aveleu to na ka currency hi khat it say dai khat na strengthening against even the dollar one of the strongest currencies in the world ta so the spate le ke ho kain commandant ki mai le ke ho le kut ka manwa na for example sawang kut bang hi ke ho laga I khat pitai khat na sukot to ki bang che hong ki bang sim heu hawin tin na hi ti ka man chapter kut he le khat passport to hong ki bang sim ti ho loi na ke on the family to ka celebrate to yeng to
Amy lang Amy ho si ti ding ham hita gathering talo na
Umtho sports meet na kat sometime in October dong la kana easy so sports
okay
meet sukot lai le na
ale tu hin alas na ding na iki ho na chai na ding in hichi viewers hichi ki ho na na ngai la ho ding ni pi na nga pa na he sa nom vai tha nom ha mai la wa le just tu vai tha na sei nom khar hin seo
ken wa imi te ko ma na ka sei no pen te pem te le na concentrate on your similarity, not on your differences. I find it absolutely silly and a waste of time. Nation building had a ball. To aggression, Amy to Mason. To Mason, Amy of it now. To Koi Maram, Koi Paitem, Koi Gangtem, Koi Tana, hello, Pewsamon. Ông thà đi phạt là cookie ta thà đi thâu thâu so so about cái narrow differences rồi na set aside ballun se phạt là hung common nation khát bill ballun ta cái gì nôm he gitu
ki pau me na sei
yo cái last cái gì nôm ta mi có na be charitable charity payvun nang sang again thei ho na pan pivun
adia hichina sei he ken dong concentrate on your similarities not your differences na
exactly
hichi lam kai ten gel the le hin ki to na pen di hin ikiba na ipi pe ki bau ham i pau le ki bang atam zo ki bang na
iki
ton
hetu so
i
okay
custom what people tam ta ki bang cha chu if we concentrate on all those then ki pu kham na
we
di
are
hin
one people
PNC dong ilen ala siam na kana ham hingla da dolo gan sa ti khat ana sei khat na no he gam tep gam ab nei ta ven you have a very broad horizons na it's na tu say he chen na ngai lo zo sen zo na he han lang ikiba na ho va ipipia kiba nai nei vam ipipia iki sam kai na wam ti ho hi chi ho ha gelutin aki hi na niam ne ho hi gel dau te ti hi Pa Isaac Thangzom in Israel gama pan a invite la hin ki pau me boy pu nang ko hi
cái bao mê buat tam sele nolle
le